super fun time.
Yeah.
With our nature club and doing our activities and such.
Maybe you'll miss us.
Maybe.
Who knows? Maybe not. Maybe you're relieved.
If you don't and you're relieved, that's okay.
Don't tell us though.
Don't say that.
Just only tell us if you'll miss us if you do. Don't say you won't miss us.
Yes. Exactly.
Right.
Yeah. So today, for the last week,
we're going to be doing...
Please!
Oh,
please!
Okay! We're going to do... Guys, we're going to do nature mandalas.
Nature mandalas.
What is that?
What is it?
What is it, you ask?
Well, do you know?
I'll tell... I do. I'll tell you. It's taking... This also might be something that you realize, like, oh, I've done this before, but I didn't know what I was doing with a mandala. A mandala is like a circle. Yes. And it's basically just taking different bits of nature and like making a design in a circle. So, leaves, flowers,
rocks,
pine cones. Whatever. No, I'm thinking of more stuff.
What'd you say?
Pine cones.
Leaves,
rocks, pine cones, flowers,
leaves.
A lot of leaves. You could do a lot with leaves.
More leaves.
Yeah. Sticks.
Sticks, yeah. Pretty much anything you would find, like, outside.
Yeah.
In nature.
You can draw in the dirt and then have, like, leaves, like, in a decorative pattern.
Exactly. And, I mean, you might be thinking these sound horrible, but they're beautiful.
They are. They're actually super cool. It's kind of like when you're gathering this stuff, you're like, what's the point? This is going to look weird. And once you have everything together in front of you and you start to like assemble it, you're going to start to see the big picture. It's really cool. See the big picture.
Exactly. Yeah. So that's pretty much, I mean, how you get started, right? You just pick some things. We're going to be doing these ourselves, but because of our location, it's really hard for us to find, because there's just a bunch of asphalt, concrete outside. So we're gonna do this later, so you'll be able to see pictures of our own mandalas that we're gonna be making. But yeah, first step is just to find some things that you think would look good together, right?
Yeah, and just start going to work.
Just start putting them
in
down.
place.
I've seen ones that are like they do like a cool like what do you call it, spiral out of the things that they pick, and it looks like really cool.
Yeah, I've seen people that do like peace signs in the circle with like
yeah,
it's really cool, and something that I think that you can be thinking of as you're doing it, and something we're gonna be thinking of as we're doing it is like just kind of taking time to like look at everything and just sort of like your life. Like sometimes you feel like you just have a giant handful of dirt and leaves. But then you start laying it all out, you start thinking about it, start putting things in perspective, and you look at the big picture and you're like, I know what to do.
It's kind of like writing down how you feel.
Yeah.
Like you might feel a ton of things all at once and you don't really know how to handle it or deal with it. And so when writing it down really helps you out in that way, really seeing how you're actually feeling and seeing the bigger picture. So I guess it's kind of the same concept, except for you're taking things from nature and really putting them down on
Perspective.
dirt. Yes. And really getting a better idea and anyways.
Flow of it. Honestly, you could even do like a mandala that like represents like where your head's at in the moment. So you could be like, you feel super stressed out, maybe it looks really chaotic. If you feel really at peace, maybe it's like very calming. You can do kind of whatever you want, but just as you're doing it, to be mindful of like just
how you're feeling.
thinking.
Yeah,
To
like
be-
what you're thinking, how you're feeling.
To
I
be
mean,
mindful
also,
of that.
if you feel like I just want to make a mandala, then make a freaking mandala.
Yeah.
Like you don't need to.
Yeah.
You don't need to think too hard, but hey,